That's entirely my point, I suppose. It's because gaining an achievement is not something that you can really plan for, I believe. You can sure prepare, but once you're doing it, it's essentially left to the whim of fates now. Because you don't have any influence on people checking, people evaluating on these things, or usually you don't have any influence on that. So, if you wanted to be successful, if you wanted to gain awards or anything, do your best. Really, that's just it. Do your best. Focus on doing your best. Never mind the fact that there's maybe a monetary value at the end of it. Never mind the fact that there's a medal at the end of it. Do your best. And if your best is enough, it's qualified as enough, then yeah, you're going to get whatever achievement, whatever medal, whatever honor that you wish. But more importantly, you'll get a sense of satisfaction that you did your best. You did all that you could, and there's nothing more that you can do more for it. And honestly, that sense of self-satisfaction is more valuable than any reward, achievement, or honor that you can get. Because you can look at yourself in the mirror and believe that yes, this is who I am, this is all that I can give, and let the fates decide if other people decide that if other people say that this is as good as they believe that it's supposed to be so good. Honestly, because at the end of the day, you're living with yourself, so if you can do whatever it is that you can do in order to live, I suppose, with self-satisfaction, then that's for you. And I suppose that's my inspirational message. Do your best regardless of whatever else that comes after. Because if it's for you, then it's for you. Even if you don't think it's for you,